As a journalist who has covered the finance sector over the last 5 years, I've had the opportunity to interview and engage with some of the best minds in the space. Leaving big bank earnings reports to the boring traditional media firms, I'll focus on the tech-savvy apps, digital investing platforms, challenger banks, and payment giants to drive relevant content that looks forward to disruption instead of fearing it. I'm Nicole Casperson, Fintech journalist, and this is What the Fintech. What's good, everyone? Welcome to What the Fintech, a new podcast for fintech professionals who want to shape the future of our industry with innovation and inclusion. I'm your host, Nicole Casperson, fintech reporter turned content creator, and I'm here to explain what the F is going on in fintech by giving you the news, analysis, and insights you need to get ahead. I've been a finance reporter at a number of legacy publications for the better part of 5 years, but as a young female person of color, I felt stuck telling stories mostly about the same pale, male, and stale faces that dominate this space. Now, I want to do things my own way. My goal is to use my reporting background, along with my personal background, to shake things up. So, starting next week, I'll be dropping episodes every Wednesday afternoon. These episodes will share the news you need to stay ahead of the curve and share stories about fintech professionals who are breaking the mold. Here, I'll explore the convergence of finance, technology, and culture. Why? Because finance is culture, and for far too long, society has ignored that financial wellness is interconnected into every layer of our lives and the foundation to a sustainable life. Why now? Because the fintech environment is evolving rapidly. Global fintech funding clocked in at over $31 billion during the third quarter of 2021, the second highest quarter ever on record. There's 43 freshly minted unicorns and $14.6 billion in US quarterly funding. With this abundance of capital, there's tons of innovation, and in turn, we're seeing products that are creating access for consumers and receiving products that have higher quality. There's also a ton of white space for fintech to penetrate as digital adoption is going through the roof, like in the international markets and embedded finance across other verticals. But here's the thing. I'm not here to curate content like everyone else. I started this podcast with a simple mission: to help build a world where everyone has access to financial freedom. And to do that, we need to challenge the status quo. I aim to do that through thought-provoking content geared toward innovation, inclusion, and fun. I'm here to deliver authentic and entertaining news while providing exclusive access to the most innovative leaders in fintech. There's so much about the fintech space that I haven't learned yet, and I'm so excited to meet everyone in this community as I grow alongside this industry. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and to keep up with me and all things fintech at workweek.com. Follow me on Twitter at Nicole Casperson, where I post all my recent musings. You can find What the Fintech just about anywhere you enjoy listening to your favorite podcasts. I hope to be one of them. I'm excited to kick off this journey together. Join me as I deliver news and analysis you need while interviewing the diverse thinkers in fintech who are ready to leave this industry better than they found it. I hope to see you there.